Now when I back up, I squeeze with my spurs. Last time I did a video squeezing and backing up, I had a lot of questions. So I'm gonna take a minute and explain this to you. Squeeze with legs or with spurs means move. It can mean move forward. It can move laterally, just like what I was just doing to get the horse step. It can mean move backwards. Squeeze with legs or squeeze with spurs does not mean faster. If I want to go faster, I'm going to cluck, I'm going to smooch, I'm going to do something like that to mean go faster. Legs, squeezing with spurs means move. So I'm going to use squeezing with spurs to tell the horse move in a backwards direction. If you look at this horse's body, shoulders here, hip is here, back is here. If I take my reins and tell the front, don't go forward, I leave the back as the open. The back will be the answer. And I take my spurs and I lift the back up, I'm shortening the distance between here and here. If I shorten this distance up here, the feet are further apart than they were where I started. My reins are saying don't go forward, so the horse's natural instinct is going to be to go backwards. So let's try that and see what we get. So I'm going to take my spurs, I'm just going to squeeze. My reins, I'm not going to pull. With my reins, I just didn't let the horse go forward. Let's do that again. Squeeze, lift the back. I can feel the back lifting. Step, release. Good girl.